Hello foodies, welcome to Amma's cooking recipes. Today we are making chicken tikka pizza. You can see how delicious it is. That too I am making in kadai. Let's get into the recipe. Dough. There I have a bowl. In this we are adding half cup of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 teaspoon instant dry yeast. Mix well, leave it for 15 minutes. See, the yeast is coming up. It's the perfect time to add the 1 teaspoon salt and 2 cups maida, approx 225 grams maida. Next I am adding 2 tablespoon milk powder and 1 tablespoon oil. Start mixing now. Add some water if required. Here I am taking out to the platform. Here I am kneading the dough about 7 minutes. We need a smooth, soft and sticky dough. Add 1 teaspoon water if required. Butter goes next about 1 tablespoon. Dough is ready. Apply the oil in airtight container. Leave it for 2 to 3 hours. Now we'll prepare the chicken tikka. I taken half kg chicken, boneless chicken. I'm adding a salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon tikka masala and 1.5 teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, curd 2 tablespoon. Mix well and marinate for 2 hours. In a pan, I'm already added 2 tablespoon oil and now adding the chicken. Cook the chicken in medium flame till the chicken get tendered. It took 12 minutes for me. Our chicken tikka is ready. After 3 hours, dough has proven really well, more than double. Take plate, apply oil and sprinkle some suji and spread the dough adjust the edges. Here my little one also helping me. After spreading the dough, cover with cloth and leave it for 30 minutes. In kadai, I am just adding the salt and placing the stand. Let's place the pizza sauce now. Pizza sauce recipe is available in description. After the sauce comes into the cheese. Here I am using mozzarella cheese. Let's place the capsicum. Chicken tikka next. Just placing the pizza in preheated kadai. Cover with lid and it normally take 30 to 35 minutes. Bake only in low flame. After 35 minutes, our pizza is ready. Pizza is so fresh and flavorful. Try it out. You will be fan of this one. So how was the recipe guys? If you enjoy, like, subscribe, comment and share.